Hi all, I'm teacher Yang from 591 Lab. In the 591 Lab's IDC room it's a bit noisy. Let me introduce our CCIE EI racks at 591 Lab to everyone. So these two cabinets are both our CCIE EI racks. We open a cabinet to examine. Inside you can observe Dell servers, and the servers are equipped with DNA centers. Additionally, these are 9300 switches. Currently, 591 Lab possesses 6 sets of CCIE EI lab rack platforms. In order to meet the needs of our classmates, we can provide a minimum of 4 hours of practice time per day per rack. So you see, from top to bottom, the whole cabinet. Of course, there is also this cabinet, and there is another rack cabinet over there. So we can meet all our students from the beginning of the exam, and then practice for 4 hours or 8 hours a day, so that the rack time of this practice can be guaranteed until he passes the CCIE certification. And in relation to October and September, there might be a revision to the CCIE EI curriculum. Approximately 20% of content updated, with 20% mainly focused on DNA centers. What else? The ISE components. So we are truly prepared for the new curriculum environment. Once the new syllabus for CCIE EI in September starts, we'll update the questions and complete the framework ASAP to meet the preparation needs of our students. Come to work with CCIE EI certification and training. Start from NA course, progress to NP course, and then to IE course. After all these courses are finished, then in the final stage, you can log into our CCIE EI live platform and practice and apply what you have learned. Throughout CCNA and CCNP stages, we support students 24/7 to log into our platform for experiments and provide assistance. Experiment situation value is enough. No matter where you are, in Shanghai or abroad, you can log on to our platform for conducting experiments. During the experiment, you can have NA and NP stages with extensions to complete real machine experiments. Okay, of course, we will also provide such a simulated environment for everyone. Then let's do it on the simulator, but for some experiments, it's better to use a real machine to complete them. This is an intro for us. For more info on CCIE certification training, visit our official website at www.591lab.com.